Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. There's something so special about creating a space that feels both beautiful and functional. And today, we're diving headfirst into a project that does just that, backyard garden sheds. Now, I know what you might be thinking, garden sheds? But trust me on this one, these aren't your average storage spaces. We're talking about charming retreats, creative studios, and even mini greenhouses, all tucked away in your very own backyard. So whether you're looking for a place to escape the everyday hustle, or simply need a little extra room for your gardening tools, get ready for some serious inspiration. We've got 10 incredible garden shed ideas that are sure to spark your imagination. And hey, if you love what you see, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more fun ideas. Let's get started. First up, we're starting with a classic for a reason. There's just something about a wooden shed, nestled in amongst the greenery, that feels both timeless and inviting. Think warm cedar planks, maybe a charming little window box overflowing with flowers, and a roofline that just beckons you to come inside. And the best part? A classic wooden shed is like a blank canvas. You can keep it natural and let the wood speak for itself, or add your own personal touches with a fresh coat of paint, some vintage hardware, or even a whimsical weather vane. If your style leans a little more modern, then a metal shed might be just the ticket. These beauties are all about clean lines, sleek finishes, and a look that says, "I'm here to stay." Think corrugated metal siding, bold pops of color, and maybe even some cool industrial lighting. And don't let the modern aesthetic fool you, these sheds are as tough as they come. They can withstand the elements like a champ, making them perfect for storing everything from gardening tools to power equipment. Because a cottage-style shed is like stepping right into a storybook. We're talking whimsical details like arched doorways, flower boxes bursting with blooms, and maybe even a little picket fence. Imagine curling up with a good book in this cozy haven, surrounded by the sweet scents of your garden. And to really up the fairy tale factor, consider adding some climbing vines, a bird bath, or even a whimsical pathway leading right to your cottage door. For a touch of rustic elegance, you can't go wrong with a barn-style shed. These beauties are all about embracing the imperfections and celebrating the beauty of natural materials. Think reclaimed wood, sliding barn doors, and maybe even some vintage farm finds. Imagine storing your gardening supplies in old metal buckets, hanging antique tools on the walls, and creating a space that feels both practical and full of history. It's like bringing a little piece of the countryside right to your backyard. Sometimes less is more. And when it comes to shed design, that's where the minimalist aesthetic really shines. These sheds are all about simplicity, functionality, and clean lines that create a sense of calm and order. Think sleek metal siding, a monochromatic color palette, and maybe a single well-placed window to let in the light. It's the perfect backdrop for a potting bench, a collection of gardening books, or even a small meditation space. For all you plant lovers out there, a greenhouse shed is a dream come true. It's like having your own little slice of paradise where you can nurture your plants year-round, no matter what the weather throws your way. Imagine sunlight streaming through the glass panes, the air warm and humid, and rows of your favorite flowers, herbs, and vegetables thriving under your care. You could even add a small potting bench and some shelving to store your gardening tools and supplies. If you're looking for a shed that's both beautiful and eco-friendly, then a living roof is the way to go. Imagine a lush carpet of greenery covering your shed, attracting butterflies and hummingbirds and helping to insulate your space. You can plant a variety of low-maintenance sedums, succulents, or even herbs to create a truly unique and stunning focal point in your backyard. Plus, a living roof can help to reduce your energy costs and create a healthier environment for everyone. Who says a shed has to have just one purpose? With a little creativity, you can easily transform your shed into a multifunctional space that suits your lifestyle. Need extra storage for your outdoor gear? No problem. Want a dedicated workspace for your hobbies? You got it. Imagine a spacious workbench for your latest DIY project, comfortable seating for relaxing with friends, and plenty of storage for everything from gardening tools to art supplies. The possibilities are endless. There's just something about natural light that makes a space feel so much more inviting. And when it comes to sheds, large windows can completely transform the look and feel. Imagine sunlight streaming in, illuminating your plants, your projects, or simply creating a bright and cheerful atmosphere. You could opt for French doors that open wide to let in the breeze, or a wall of windows that offers panoramic views of your garden. And don't forget about skylights. They're a great way to add even more natural light, especially in smaller sheds. The perfect fit designing your dream shed. And finally, if you're really looking to create something truly unique, why not consider a custom-built shed? It's the perfect way to get exactly what you want, from the size and layout to the materials and finishes. Work with a local builder or designer to create a space that perfectly reflects your style and meets your specific needs. The sky's the limit. Well, there you have it. 10 creative garden shed ideas to inspire your next backyard project. I hope you're feeling as inspired as I am to create a space that's both beautiful and functional. Which shed idea was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're ready to transform your own backyard, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fun and creative ideas. Thanks for watching, everyone, and happy shed-spiring.